Alex here from Skinny's Garage. Today we're helping out Traction with their Dust Hustle bikes, getting them prepped and ready to go for Dust Hustle at Micdooin Raceway this year. So we've brought in some of our members today to get involved, get their hands dirty and help get these bikes ready to be hired out on the day so that everyone can have a chance to run around the track and have a good time.
So my name's Rick, I'm a mentor with the Traction guys. Tonight we're actually giving all the bikes a bit of a safety check before Dust Hustle, which is on the 9th, making sure that they're all safe to ride, ready for the riders to take on board, and at the same time gives a chance for new up-and-comers who've never learnt how to use tools or work on bikes before a chance to give it a go.
So nothing too much out of the ordinary, a couple of broken brake levers, a couple of stripped sump plugs, which is not ideal, but always something that we can go around. And yeah, obviously being Posty bikes ridden on the dirt track, there's always some loose spokes and some low tyre pressures, but nothing that we couldn't handle. So for anyone that is interested in joining Skinny's Garage and the Skinny social community, feel free to jump on the website and have a look. We've got different memberships there available, and we're always open for a conversation if you want to come in for a social night and hang out and see what it's all about. And most of all, we'll see you all at Dust Hustle on the 9th of October.